Hello kids, our today's topic is bird's name. So let's start the video. Peacock. Peacock is the national bird of India. The male is called the peacock and females are peahen. Parrot. Parrots are one of the most intelligent birds. They found in warm climates almost all over the world. Parrots have the ability to understand the emotions and behavior of humans. Pigeon. Pigeon is a medium-sized bird. Its average size is 11 inches. It can fly up to 40 to 50 miles per hour and can cover 600 miles in a day. Eagle. Eagles are large birds of prey. They hunt during the day and have very good eyesight. They build their nest, called eyries, in tall trees or on high cliffs. Vulture. Vultures are large birds of prey that mainly feed on carrion. They are also called buzzards. They are found all across the world, Australia and Antarctica being the exceptions. Falcon. Falcons are medium-sized birds of prey. They are known to have a unique hunting technique. They dive at their prey and catch it in mid-air. Owl. Owl is a nocturnal hunting bird with large forward-facing eyes. Its eyes are fixed inside the sockets. It can rotate its head and neck up to 270 degrees in both directions. Crow. Crow is a large black bird which is found in South America, Central America, Europe and Asia. It lives in a large group. A group of crow is called a murder. Swan. Swans are the largest waterfowls. They have large feet and long necks. The males are bigger and heavier than the females. Swans feed both in water and on land. Duck. Ducks are closely related to swans and geese. The main difference is that ducks have shorter necks and are smaller. They are omnivorous, eating aquatic plants and tiny animals. The young ones are called ducklings. Flamingo. Flamingo is a beautiful pink wedding bird. It can weigh up to 4 kg and grow up to 145 cm tall. It has a curved bill that is shaped like a banana. Sparrow. Sparrows are small, plump, brown-gray birds. They are 11 to 18 cm long. They have short tails and small, strong beaks. They prefer to live near human dwellings. Manna. Mannas are perching birds. They have a dark plumage, white wing patches, and yellow-orange feet and bills. They eat insects and fruits. Robin. Robin is a small bird found in Europe and Asia. It has large black eyes and a small black bill. It has a bright orange or red chest. It is an insectivore. Kingfisher. Kingfisher is a small to medium-sized colorful bird which is most famous for hunting and eating fish. There are about 100 different species of the kingfishers found around the world. Woodpeckers. Woodpeckers are popularly known for their beaks that are unusually strong amongst birds. These birds use their beaks to dig their nesting holes or hunt for ants and other insects. Ostrich. Ostrich is the world's tallest and heaviest bird. It cannot fly, but it can run up to 40 miles per hour. It has the largest eye of any land animal. Macaw. Macaw is a native to Mexico, Central America and South America. It is a brightly colored bird of the parrot family. It eats primarily seeds, nuts and fruits. Cuckoos. Cuckoos are migratory birds that travel to warmer climate during the winter. Cuckoos are known for laying their eggs in the nest of other birds. Penguin. Penguin is a black and white seabird which cannot fly. There are 17 species of penguins in the world.